guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be discussing about customized hair products. For those people who know this very well that I'm super duper obsessed about good hair. So I recently decided to switch my hair care game and take it a notch higher by using this customized products from Freewill. So I decided to use only these products and nothing else for 15 days straight that have been specifically customized just for me. So I'm really excited to share this journey, and if you're interested, continue watching. So coming to the products, I have received these 3 bottles from Freewill. There's a shampoo, there's a conditioner, and there's a hair serum. And you can clearly see that my name has been printed on this bottle, indicating that this product has been designed specifically for my hair, its needs and its goals. At Freewill, each and every product is designed after understanding the customer's needs, their lifestyle, their environment, and specifically their hair goals. Like these bottles have been designed after asking me a series of questions. #made for my hair. So coming back to my experience, I'm going to share a little bit about my hair. I have always had wavy hair. I really like the volume and texture of my hair. Like right now I haven't used any product or styling, so it requires minimum amount of styling, which is why I really like the texture of my hair. But the main problem that I face is dryness and frizz. Like भले मैं अपने बालों में कितनी भी कंघी फेरूं, लाइक आधे घंटे के बाद ही पता नहीं कहाँ से उनमें इतने सारे टैंगल्स आ जाते हैं. सो आई जस्ट कैन नॉट गो विदाउट यूजिंग अ कंडीशनर. Hence, I was on the lookout for a product जो मेरे बालों को थोड़ा सा shiny, थोड़ा सा smooth, and most importantly frizz-free बनाए. And that's when Freewill came to my rescue. So the first thing that I did was went to their website, created an account, and took their hair assessment test. There were around 20 questions like what was the texture of my hair, how my hair is like usually oily or dry, the length of my hair, its thickness, volume, if my scalp is itchy or not, if I experience dandruff, how many hair I lose on a daily basis, like थोड़े से बाल झड़ते हैं या I lose like a lot of hair in a day. They also have a bunch of questions on external factors like last 3 months में if I have colored my hair or not, have I chemically treated them like keratin या rebonding कराया है या नहीं, if I have used appliances like hair dryer, straightener, curling iron to style my hair on a daily basis. Style करने के लिए what all I use, like मैं अगर hair oil, gel, dry shampoo, hair spray या mousse etc. use करती हूँ या नहीं. They also ask you about the country and the state that you live in to understand your environmental condition. Then they ask you about your preferences and your hair goals. This is the most important part, इसीलिए wisely choose करना. They will ask you question जैसे कि volume चाहिए, या किसी को बालों की thickness बढ़ानी है, या किसी को strong बाल चाहिए, या किसी को अपने damaged बालों को एकदम back to life लानी हो. For me, I was really clear on what I wanted as my ultimate goal. I had 3 things in my mind. Number 1, smoothness. Number 2, anti-dryness. Number 3, anti-frizz. You can choose as per your requirement. You also get to choose your favorite color in which you want your personalized product to come in. I chose green because I love avocado, and you are sorted. So this is the dabba that I received from Freewill around 15 days ago, and it's a very sturdy box. इसके अंदर I received a shampoo, a conditioner and a serum. So around 15 days ago I had posted this Instagram story that I'm ready to take the 15-day Freewill challenge. So during those 15 days I did not use a single product from any other brand, not even a hair oil, because I wanted to give these products a fair shot, and I religiously used only products from Freewill. So I usually wash my hair 3 every week. और ऑनेस्टली मैं अपना रिव्यू एक यूज़ के बाद रिकॉर्ड नहीं करना चाहती थी, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इट्स नॉट फेयर टू द प्रोडक्ट एज वेल एज यू गाइज, और एक यूज़ के बाद क्या ही पता लगता है. सो आई वॉन्टेड टू रिकॉर्ड माई एक्सपीरियंस आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ 15 days, एंड yesterday was the day when I completed my 15th day of using these products. So go check that out first. Hi guys, so today is the 15th day of my Freewill challenge, and as you guys can see I'm just out of the shower. You know the drill. I applied the shampoo followed by the conditioner. I let the conditioner sit on my hair for a good 10 to 15 minutes for all the goodness to be absorbed by my hair. You guys might be thinking what is this funny looking thing doing on my head. So let me just tell you that this is a cotton t-shirt. I use a cotton t-shirt every time I wash my hair, and I don't use a towel because obviously बहुत ज़्यादा damage होता है while you scrub your hair. I just wrap a cotton t-shirt and let it absorb all the water. एंड मैंने बहुत बार यूट्यूबर्स एंड ब्यूटी गुरुज को ये हैक शेयर करते हुए सुना था, बट आई लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ यू ऑल आई यूज टू इग्नोर. बट मैंने वन फाइन डे आई थॉट दैट यू नो कि क्या ही हो जाएगा, लेट मी जस्ट गिव इट अ ट्राई. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई हैव फॉलन इन लव विद दिस हैक. लाइक इट हैज़ डन नथिंग बट गुड टू माई हेयर. So yeah, you guys should go and give it a try and come back thanking me later. Coming back to the topic, we are done with our skincare and now it's time for Freewill. So this is the bottle I received from Freewill. It's a 30 ml bottle, but a little goes a very long way. So what I'm gonna do is take a very little amount of serum on my palm, rub it between my palms like this, and I'm gonna spread it on my fingers. Now I'm gonna divide my hair into two sections, ऐसे, and then run the serum through the ends of my hair. Gradually going up. Make sure कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर मत चले जाना, because this is gonna make your hair really really oily otherwise, and you do not want to look like a चिपको. So अब मैंने अपने बालों में सीरम लगा लिया है. I'm gonna let my hair air dry and I'll be back with the review. Alrighty, I'm back and this is what my naturally dried hair looks like. Of course, I have combed through them, but I can see no frizz, no dryness, and definitely my hair feels smoother. I think these customized products from Freewill that have been specifically designed for me have worked wonder on my hair, because all my three hair goals, that is smoothness, anti-frizz and anti-dryness, all three have been taken care of. And I think it's an added bonus that these products are paraben free and sulfate free, which is really really good. So if you want gorgeous looking mane, I would highly urge you guys to give these babies a try, because I think they are a must buy. And if you want to buy products from Freewill, I have a special discount coupon for all of you all, which you can see in the screen down below. I would also be linking it in the description box below, wherein you can avail 10% off with each purchase. Also, apart from using these products, do not forget to eat a protein rich diet every single day and drink at least 5 liters of water every day. 5 liters बहुत ज़्यादा बोल दिया. I think 3 liters of water is sufficient and you will have luscious looking mane in no time. So that was it for today's video, you guys. If you liked the video, do not forget to share it with your friends suffering from hair problems. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, do not forget to check my other videos. You never know, you might find something helpful over there. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, spread happiness. I love you guys. Bye.